o'clock numbers, and the numbers have bumped up a bit, but it's still a Category 1. Winds at 80 miles an hour with Idalia, and that is about 16 miles, well, not about, that's 16 miles shy of Category 2 status. Moving north at 14 miles an hour. Again, water surface temperatures, around 90. So that's the concern. It's just got ample fuel as this storm continues to churn. So it's hurricane warnings around the, where we anticipate landfall. But even Tampa down into Fort Myers, you've got tropical storm warning. That means you're going to see winds up to 74 miles an hour. Think of the amazing amount of wind energy that's going to be affiliated with this. Storm surge warnings and watches on both sides of the peninsula. Why? Well, you've got Franklin as a Cat 4, and now we have a strengthening storm coming on board. So I want to just show you the timing. Likely a Category 2 storm this afternoon, and then making landfall as a Category 3 storm. And this is what we're looking at. This area right there, that is probably that is the window for a hit. And that's where we see the 8 to 12 foot storm surge. Again, this could be record surge. Even though that's not the most populous part of the state, that kind of inundation and energy, that's what we're concerned about. And then around Tampa Bay, 4 to 7 is going to be very problematic. Remember, Tampa Bay is not that deep, so you get that kind of energy. It just throws the water into the city, and then that's Tarpon Springs, that's points north. Here's the timing of this. Here's the timestamp for you right here. So by tonight, look at this, training rain. So that's Miami, that's through the Keys, and then up into Fort Myers, and then Sarasota, and then Tampa, Clearwater, Tampa. Watch the timing of this now. Early tomorrow morning, just flooding, torrential rain around the Tampa Bay area. And then here's the eye of the storm making landfall around 9:30 tomorrow morning. So you're going to see not only training rain, from coast to coast, but you're also going to be seeing the wind damage. And if the eye hits at maybe 120 miles an hour, this is going to just be devastating. Again, the winds decrease as you go out, but still you're going to have sustained tropical storm force winds from Tampa up to Panama City. And then it's not done. It's still a hurricane through South Georgia and into South Carolina. This is interesting as we look ahead to Wednesday night. Almost the entire state of South Carolina impacted by this storm. And then you get into parts of North Carolina, all the way up to the Outer Banks. Then it's deflected by the great weather that we're going to be enjoying here. It's just going to push it out to sea. So we'll be still reaping these dangerous rip currents. This is now Thursday afternoon. We've enjoyed a beautiful day. Jersey Shore, clouds affiliated with the storm. But that, with the addition of the rip currents, that's about all we're going to see in our area as this storm passes. It's a yellow alert for us for the possibility of heavy rain tomorrow. Again, that is not affiliated with the storm. And then Thursday, Friday, Saturday, we've got great conditions, pretty nice right through the weekend as Idalia makes a landfall in Florida, though. We'll be tracking it for you.